If you want to change your Epic Games account display name, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can update your name quickly and correctly. This is perfect if you want a new gamer tag, you made a typo, or you simply want your Epic Games profile to match your current username. And before we jump in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the Epic Games website in your browser and sign into the account you want to update. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens your account options. From the menu, select Account. That will take you to your Epic Games account settings page. Now, on the account page, look for the General section. In that section, you should see your current display name. This is the name that appears on your Epic Games profile and in supported games and services. To change it, click Edit next to the display name field. A box will appear where you can enter your new display name. Type in the name you want to use and make sure it's spelled exactly the way you want it to appear. After that, confirm the changes if prompted. Epic Games may ask you to verify that you really want to make the update, so take a moment to review everything before continuing. Once you're ready, click Save to apply the new display name. After saving, your Epic Games account display name should update successfully. If the name you chose is already taken or doesn't meet the requirements, you may need to try a different variation. Also, keep in mind that some platforms can take a short time to reflect the change everywhere, so if you don't see it immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page. And that's it. You've now changed your Epic Games account display name. If this tutorial helped, please leave a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and check out the rest of the channel for more gaming and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.